Hey, what's up, guys? I decided to bring y'all in for an up close and personal look at the Scotch Porter brand beard beard grooming stuff. Right now, I'm putting on the beard balm. This was introduced to me from a friend. His name is Sean. He's one of the king of the beards, and he gave me this stuff because my beard was looking all dry and ashy. So I started using this stuff a couple months back, and I decided to do a review today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this on, and then I'll show y'all the other products that come with it. All right, I got all that stuff put in my beard and it's feeling all nice and moisturized and luxurious looking. So I wanted to go ahead and go through this stuff because for somebody like me who had never really grown a beard before, I was always, wondering how to comb it and, what could I put in it. The thing about me, I really do not like smelling all girly and stuff. I like a little man scent, something masculine, but not too overbearing, especially on my face. And I definitely didn't want something that was going to be like greasy and heavy on my face because, I already got this beard. So my friend Sean introduced this stuff to me. And, it's pretty cut and dry, man. I mean, the instructions are right on there. And first of all, I like the way it felt on my beard. And second, it smelled great. It didn't smell like, like I had on an extra or an additional cologne. And it didn't, it just wasn't overpowering. So let's start with the beard wash. This stuff right here, it's really, let me get it in focus. Let me see here. I guess it's not going to focus for me, but let me see. There we go. All right, so this beard wash right here, it's actually a very, it's very watery. You actually look at it and you don't think, well, I guess you can't see it. You don't think it's actually going to do anything, but you put this stuff in your beard and all you need is like a little bit just in the palm of your hand, like right in that little circle right there. And it'll lather up really, really good. So it goes a long way. If you got a super long beard or bushy beard, maybe do 2 squirts, but this stuff goes a really long way. I got the 8-ounce bottle. I don't know if it comes any smaller, but I know this is definitely the big one. And this stuff works really good, cleans it up real nice. And so the way I do this is I'll go in the shower and, I'm bald head, so I got a lot of stuff to do in the shower. So I'll go ahead and put some of this in there and wash my beard out real quick. And then I'll move on to the conditioner. And this stuff right here has actually been great for me. Let me see if I can get it to focus real quick. All right. This stuff has actually been really great for me because it actually, even without using the beard balm, I can tell that this stuff actually softens the hair on my face. It makes it more manageable to comb. Because let me tell you, the combing process of your beard is crazy if it's not moist. So let me open this up for you. All right, I got a little hair in there. But, you just put a little bit in your beard, just like you saw me doing the beard balm. You just kind of dab it on the sides and just rub it in real good. But the thing is, you want to leave this in for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So what I normally do is I'll go ahead and put this on my beard, rub it in real good, and then I'll go on to shave my head, and then I'll wash my body. And by the time that's all done, that's been plenty of time for this stuff to sit in, and you just rinse it out, and then you're done. Get out of the shower, dry off however you're going to dry off. I'm not a beard specialist, so I'm not going to tell you what kind of cloth to use or any crazy stuff like that as far as beard grooming. But my next step is once my beard is dry, I'll go ahead and bust out this beard balm, which is the stuff you saw me using earlier. Let me get it to focus. All right, yeah, that's the beard balm right there. And this is actually the biggest container that they have. And to be honest with you, you don't really need that much. As you saw, I was kind of just dabbing my finger in there and just kind of dabbing along my beard. And then I just kind of, grind it in with my fingers and stuff. And this right here, once you put this on, if your beard is still kind of moist, not wet, but just moist, you'll notice that your beard is so easy to comb. The comb is just going to run through there. I actually use a pick or a comb, depending on what stage my beard is in. But I like this one because, once again, that manly smell. It doesn't smell like Odeon made with real bits of Panther or anything like that, but it definitely has a manly smell, but it's not overbearing. You almost don't smell it while you're wearing it, and nobody's going to be able to smell it unless they're up close to your face, like your wife or your girlfriend or something like that. So, and it's not all fruity, and it's not, another big thing for me is that it's not greasy. You cannot tell that it's on your face once you put it on there and just let it, sit for a few minutes. You're going to be just fine. This is, it's not heavy on the face. You don't even know it's on there. So I really like this stuff, and it goes a long way. So far, I think this is probably a 3-month supply between all this. So, I mean, yeah, it lasts a long time. I mean, the price is, I think the price is fair. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it. I had a coupon. So I think for this whole kit, I ended up paying like $50, but then you think it's a 3-month supply. So, it's well worth it in my opinion. Last is, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't use this. I've used it like three or four times. This is the beard serum. Let me get it to focus. beard serum. So their description of this is once you've gone through this process back here, you're supposed to put this on your beard to kind of seal in the moisture. But honestly, I just told you I don't like greasy stuff. And this stuff is like it's like a sheen that goes over your beard, and it makes it kind of, maybe if you were in the sunlight, maybe you'd sparkle a little bit looking like the dude in Coming to America spraying on Soul Glow on his face. But yeah, I just don't like that greasy feeling. If you touch your beard after putting this on, even after a couple of hours, you'll see the grease on your hand, the oil on your hand. Now, you know, I'm pretty sure if I actually use it on a daily basis, it would actually help condition my beard and make it look better. But like I said, I just don't like a lot of oily stuff on my face. So I have only used maybe 2 or 3 squirts of this, because you don't need that much. You just squirt a little bit on your hand, and then you just kind of rub it around and then kind of slick your beard down like that. But like I said, I don't really use this, so I can't really give an honest review. Well, I guess I can give an honest review. I don't like it. It's too oily. But that's the full beard kit. They do have some other products, but as far as stuff to put on your beard and manage it, this is it. This aside, if you go with these 3, you cannot lose. I don't care what type of texture your beard has either. It's going to look good, it's going to feel good, and it's going to smell good. So that's it right there. The Scotch Porter brand beard wash, beard conditioner, and beard balm. Hey man, y'all stay tuned for other videos. I appreciate y'all checking me out. This is something new that I'm doing. You know, I just buy a lot of stuff, man. And I feel like I just need to share my opinion with you guys, because I know a lot of consumers out there, you might not be into, you know, all kinds of technical details on different products or whatever. You just want to know if it works or not. And that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna tell you if it works, tell you if I like it, maybe show you how to use it, and then we out. All right, I'll check y'all in the next video.